we mean by link state protocol? So OSPF, when we are going to configure OSPF, so OSPF makes a database which is called link state database. OSPF makes 3 tables. That is, first is neighbor table, second is database table, and third is routing table. So this database table, so in OSPF, whenever you connect 2 routers, they become neighbor to each other. Okay, when you connect these OSPF, so they are going to send one packet which is called hello. We will discuss about that also. So, but OSPF makes one table which is called database, and it is also known as link state database. So if all 4 routers, they are going to make one table which is called LSDB, and in link state database, all the routers will have exact information. Okay, I'm considering all the 4 routers we are going to have in one area. Okay, so let me make it more simple. So this is called link state protocol. We are going to store all the links. Means if one router is having 2 links, we are going to store both links information in the database table. If this router is connected, this is also having 2 links. So this router is going to add these 2 links. So in total, how many links we got? This will be considered one link. This will be another. This will be another. So almost 3 links information will be stored into the link state database.